Dr. Kristie Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday, where motion is lotion. Today for our whole bodies, all seated in the chair. You don't even need any equipment, but get ready to work hard, sweat it out a little bit, and get those muscles pumped. All right, take a nice deep breath in. Let those arms come all the way up as high as you comfortably can. Totally okay if they don't go all the way up, or if you need to let them come forward a little bit to be a little bit more comfortable for you. We're gonna do one more like this, coming back down, and then we're gonna add on a little bit. I'm gonna bring those arms up, try to really reach, and this time bring those elbows down, squeeze those shoulder blades together, and reach all the way back up. Snap, crackle, pop in those shoulders. We're gonna do 5 like this. So that's 2, 3, we're warming up before we get a little cardio and strength going. 4, and one more is 5. Awesome. I'm going to just straighten out those arms. Here's where we're getting some strength going. We're just going to pulse it. Remember, you can just follow right along with me. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, keep them there, and I'll just hold. Ooh, get a little jazz fingers going on. Gotta love it. Keep breathing, sitting up nice and tall. Of course, bring those arms down if they get tired at all. Not a problem to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring those arms right on down. Give them a little rest for a little bit. We're going to press right into the chair with one arm, and then the other arm is going to raise right up. It's a little range of motion and strength as I'm starting to push down into that chair. So it's push down and back. I'm squeezing into the shoulder blades as I do that. Oh gosh, I love this one. I'm getting some more cracking in through the back and through the shoulder there. If you're starting to work up a sweat like I am, because I work up a sweat, sometimes just walking. That's why I've got my element with me today. Love it. I've got the lime, the citrus flavor in there. It's lime-like flavor. One of my favorites, as well as the watermelon, but they have a ton of different flavors. And actually, because you guys are awesome and you're my listeners, if you place an order, you do get an 8-pack free sample of all their awesome flavors. We're gonna do one more on each side like this. Oh, I just love this one. Okay, and now I'm gonna bring this other arm up and we're gonna hold. Work those shoulders. Yeehaw. Love the element too. It's actually the only electrolyte that I use because it's got great stuff in it and no bad stuff in it. So no artificial flavors or colors or really artificial any yuck stuff. No fake sugar or things like that too. Good stuff. It's awesome too because it's got 1,000 milligrams of sodium, it's got 200 milligrams, I'm getting tired, of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium, so science backed on those amounts. Okay, bring those arms down. We're gonna go right into a bicep curl. So I'm gonna make fist. You can even squeeze there to get a little bit more oomph. Make sure those arms come all the way back down. So if you go to drinklmnt.com/Kristie Ennis, this is where you can get your free 8-pack sampler for yourself, or feel free to share with other people. You can do that too. Lots of yummy flavors to try and choose. That's 5. 6, you don't want hand cramping, so you can always open those hands up if you need to. 7, 8, 9, we're gonna get a little bit more cardio-like. We're gonna add in a march here at the same time. So it's 1, 2, at any time, take a break whenever you need to. Try to stay sitting up nice and tall as we go through. Hiccups, excuse me. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I'm gonna bring this leg up and I'm gonna add little pulses with those arms. So I'm in that halfway point, working those hip flexors. 2, 10 more, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch it up, other leg. Whoo, la la. Need to take a drink in just a minute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I am going to take a quick break, which means you guys get a quick little pause too. Like the citrus. All right, go ahead and bring those hands down on your chair. From here, you can totally help and use your legs a little. We're gonna try to straighten out those arms, and if you can, even lift that butt up a little bit. If it's too much to lift the butt, just try to get as straight into that arm as you can to work those triceps. There's 2, we're just gonna do 10 of these. There's 3, 4, my chair is squeaky, 5, better than me being squeaky, I guess, 6, 7, oh man, 8. I'm gonna move my hands back a little. That's actually much more comfortable for me. We have one more. Play around with that position as well in your arms. All right, we're going with a punch and a leg kick with the opposite leg. So it's out and punch. There's 1, 2, 20 total. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you're gonna bring that leg out to the side and arm is gonna come right on over. So we're getting a little lean and a tap. Still with that cardio, but range of motion, little strength too. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, abs getting involved here, 2, and 1. Good. A little more ab work here. I'm going to lean back just a touch, but keep my back flat. Opposite arm and leg are going to come towards one another. There's 1, 2, working those hip flexors and quads, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep breathing, 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch. 1, this one is harder than it looks, I swear. 2, 3, 4, especially after doing all the other ones. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we're gonna add in, you're either gonna do one leg at a time and over, or if you can, you're gonna bring both of those legs over. You can hold on to that bench a little bit here. So we're just gonna start, I'm not counting those, we'll start now. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't have to point your toes if it's not comfortable either. 8, 9, and 10. That's all I got in me today. Okay, going back to just the arms, we're gonna punch up, punch down. So it's up, down. I'm shifting my body weight back just a little bit as I do these. Still strength, still cardio. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your aggression out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Focusing a little bit more in on those legs now. I'm going to shift so that I'm actually leaning off to the side a little bit. This is hard. Trust me on this. And you're going to do a little leg lift here. There's 1, 2, 3. Getting you right here. Getting me at least. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, switch to the other side. Obviously, you want to make sure you're on something that doesn't have an arm to it, most likely, because that's going to be hard. Oop, notice I just did that. Don't do that. Stay nice and steady. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, you're going to keep those feet down. We're going to lift just those heels up. You can always do 1 at a time, 2 if you want, which is what I'm gonna do. Stay with 2 if you need to. That's 3, we're gonna do 10 on each side. 4, 5, working hip flexors on the other side too. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and switch it up. Here we go. 1, remember you can put that foot down and do both at the same time if you need to. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One more leg one and then a couple ab ones to end. You're gonna shift your body off towards the side of the chair. I'm gonna lean just a touch forward, and then I'm adding that little kick back to get those glutes. So keeping that leg bent. That's 3, even stretching the hip flexors a little bit there. 4, 5, 6, hamstring 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was my face because I don't like that one. Not because it's bad exercise, because it's hard. All right, same idea on the other side. Here we go. Lift it back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. 2 more exercises to go. You're either going to cross your arms over your chest or bring them behind the head, which is what I'm going to do. You're going to lean it back, use those abs to really pull you back up into that nice upright posture. Flat back as you lean back as far as you can and pull up. Make sure you're not blooping the belly up as you come up or yanking on that neck either. There's 3. We're doing 10 like this. 4. I find it easiest to exhale as I come up, but the most important thing is to just keep breathing. 4 more to go like this. There's 4. My toes are working too. I got to stop that. 3, 2, and 1. Keeping your hands in that position. We're going to add opposite knee and elbow. I'm leaning back just a touch as I do this. Again, not yanking that elbow. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost there, 9, 10, 10 more to go and we're done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, nice job, guys.